learned so far? Somebody has to help. What's your name? Clint. We have another Clint here. Come on, Clint. Beside Clint. Come. Clint, by the way, is one of our music majors in CPAC, CPAC, that's close to Bacolod. Yes. And we also have, come over here, these two other students coming from the CPAC. He's a nursing student also. This is Jared Arsenal. His father is the engineering department. And this is Ivan Badiola. All of them play the violin. Clint plays the viola. And I told him to bring the viola, their instruments here. Now Daryl plays the cello. He just started studying the cello for around 6 months. But when we came and rode to Cebu Pacific, they wouldn't let us hand carry. So we checked it in, and when it came, it broke. So we don't know what